Well, hey guys, I wanted to show y'all how to change this back wiper blade on your van. This right here is our Honda Odyssey, and it's super easy to do. All you have to do is just pop this one right off. You're just going to kind of pull it right out. It only has that one or two little pieces right in there, so it's going to snap right out. You can just kind of open it up. But the big deal right here is you will need a specific type of windshield wiper, so I will have that link down below. So all you're going to have to do is grab the correct one for your vehicle. When I first tried to do this, I just grabbed one from the store and realized that's not the right size, so you do need the one with the extra little clips. And all you're going to do is feed it right back through just the way you took that off. It's going to feed in there, and then you're going to, again, just kind of pinch it back into where those little clips are. It'll kind of slowly float in, and then you can see it just clicks in and stays right there. So it's really super easy to do, but you just got to make sure you have the correct one. Like I said, I'll have a link down below for the Honda Odyssey option, but you can check other ones as well. You want to make sure it has this special little feature. So overall, pretty easy DIY project. If this was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.